welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So this is like in my Amazon wish list, or my save for later portion on Amazon. I have a bunch of diamond painting multi-packs, and well, this is a diamond painting multi-pack. Oh, this looks looks really pretty. So I have a whole bunch of multi-packs on my save for later, and then I kind of periodically look at it, or in my wish list, and I kind of periodically look at them and see if any of them go on sale. And then when it goes on sale, that's when I'm like, okay, I could buy it now. That's my excuse for diamond. But so like, yeah, this looks really like nicely packaged for a diamond painting. So it's from it was called Opount. I don't know. Yeah, do you see that? I've never heard of them, but hey, look, there says no ironing, so let's hope it doesn't need. Okay, so it looks like it's all kind of just in here. Okay. So there are 6 diamond paintings in here, and it looks like they gave me 6 toolkits, and it looks like the toolkit has a multi-placer, pen, boat, wax, and some baggies, but there's 6 of them. So yeah, this is a 6-pack of diamond paintings. Like I said, I have a whole bunch of multi-pack diamond paintings from Amazon, because Amazon is not the cheapest for diamond paintings. You could get cheaper diamond paintings in like, the budget-friendly stores like DIY Digital Art or like fan cells. So Amazon, I tend to get the multi-packs of diamond paintings, because then you kind of get the same price as you get from the budget-friendly diamond painting stores. Let me move you down. But yeah, I got 6 images. These are all supposed to be 30 by 40, and if you don't like white, these are not the images for you, because there is a lot of white in these images. So it says it's a 30 by 40, but I figured it's a 25 by 35. Yep, 25 by 35. So yeah, here is the first image. These are all just like plant images, and what made me get these was it was on sale. So yeah, here's the first image, and it looks like this one has 19 colors. The symbols, there's a little bit more symbols in this than I like, but there's only 19 colors. But look, the last color is 702 AB. So yeah, that's when I was looking at the pictures, I was like, wait, does that say AB on there? I was like, okay, I have to try to get this one when it's on sale. So here's the first image. Here is the second image, which is upside down, it looks like. Yeah, so it looks like it's like a hanging plant. Here is the next image. So this is going to be my like house plant series, since if you watch a previous video of mine where I said that I kind of killed plants, this is my way of having plants without killing them. Here's another image. So yeah, you could see the theme on this. Man, look at this one. This one only has like 8 colors, but yet it still does have that 702 AB. This will be really easy, 8 colors. Here's the other image. So you could see the theme, and it looks like it's a snake plant. But yeah, this is not for people. This was the first image. So yeah, the reason I got this is I kind of know where I want to put them, and it looked like they matched each other. So I'm a big fan of matching diamond paintings. And so yeah, so this first one does have that 19 colors, and the print looks really, really good. There are guide circles, but what's nice is on the white, it's just kind of a faint guide circle, as opposed to, bam, you have to put me on perfectly, or else you're not going to see, or else you're going to see the black outline. So there are guide circles, but just very faint. And then And then this second one does also, this one has 15 colors, and looks like there are ABs also, the 702 AB, so that looks like it's a theme in all of them. This one only has 8 colors, and it also does have the AB, so it looks like 702, AB, and 5200 are going to be my friend for all of these diamond paintings. And then this other one also has 8 colors. I wonder if they have the same, and it also still has the AB. So I wonder if these ones with the 8 colors have the same, like, legend, and will I be able to just kit them up all at once? So here, these two have 8 colors. There are kind of a couple dark symbols, but they tried a little bit to, you know, put the lighter color background. But yes, 699, 700s, 701, those are all the same symbols. 703 is not in both of them, so that doesn't matter. But yeah, 702 and 5200 are the same symbol. Oh, this one, that's not going to work. 890 and 3818 are the same symbol, but different colors. But yeah, so the first 3 and then the last 2 are the same. So yeah, I might have to think about it, because I would, if I kitted these at the same time, the 890 and this 3818 might mess me up. But yeah, I was hoping that I'd be able to, like, I'll just kit these all at once, but it does seem like, okay, so yeah, these ones with the least amount of colors does look like, can I? The 699, no, 699 is different. The 5200 looks like it's the same for everything. It's the dot. So, but yeah, nope. There I was thinking I could just all kit this all at once. But yeah, this is going to be my series of diamond paintings. So let me make sure I have 6 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. And then it does look like the DMC code is on these baggies. And this says ZS01C. So this is that first one that's on here. Yeah, let's go see if it really does have that AB. I don't normally show drills, but I figure the AB gets a special notice. So yeah, so here it is. It does look like a green AB. Okay, so yeah. So yeah, like I said, I saw this on Amazon. It was part of, like, my things on my wish list, and then when I saw it was on sale, I ended up getting it. And it's actually more on sale than when I got it. I only had that 10% coupon on there, but when I'm recording this, which is Saturday, this is going to get posted on Tuesday following this Saturday. It looks like it's even cheaper. I don't know if it'll still be cheaper by the time I post this, but yeah, I have a posting schedule. So yeah, they should be 6 diamond paintings that look like this. And yeah, no, I think these will be really nice, quick projects. So I probably will kit up 2 of them at the same time, because there's a lot of similar colors, and there's only like 8 colors at a time. So be on the lookout for that. But yeah, I think I'm happy with these ones. I'm gonna be super sick of white by the time I'm done, but I'm hoping it'll be like good quality white drills, so that it'll just be a bam multi-placing fun. Maybe I'll sprinkle some ABs in the background for fun, you know, just because I have a bunch of white ABs. But yeah, there is the 6, and let's see. Can I get them all on camera? No. But this one's the nicest one, I think, or the most intricate one. So yeah. All right. Thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye.